Question number 201, which is used for playing games? A. Joystick. B. Pen drive. C. Light drive. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Joystick. Question number 202, when the computer is already on, the restart of the computer is called A. Shutdown. B. Logging off. C. Cold booting. D. Warm booting. Correct answer is D. Warm booting. Question number 203, which monitor consumes least power? A. LCD. B. CRT. C. LED. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. LED. Question number 204, what is the full form of CRT? A. Crystal ray tube. B. Cathode ray tube. C. Computer ray tube. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Cathode ray tube. Question number 205, what is the full form of LED? A. Light emitting diode. B. Light emitter diode. C. Light energy diode. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Light emitting diode. Question number 206, what is the full form of LCD? A. Light crystal display. B. Liquid crystal display. C. Light energy display. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Liquid crystal display. Question number 207, which menu contains the option Print in Windows? A. File menu. B. Edit menu. C. View menu. D. Insert menu. Correct answer is A. File menu. Question number 208, which key is used to rename a selected icon and file/folder in Windows? A. F2. B. F4. C. F5. D. F8. Correct answer is A. F2. Question number 209, verification of a login name and password is known as? A. Authentication. B. Configuration. C. Accessibility. D. Logging in. Correct answer is A. Authentication. Question number 210, mechanism to protect network from outside attack is? A. Antivirus. B. Formatting. C. Digital signature. D. Firewall. Correct answer is D. Firewall. Question number 211, which of the following is an example of an image file? A. XLS. B. Doc. C. JPG. D. MP3. Correct answer is C. JPG. Question number 212, laser printers belong to? A. Page printer. B. Dot matrix printer. C. Band printer. D. Line printer. Correct answer is A. Page printer. Question number 213, MP3 and WAV files are examples of? A. Text file. B. Graphic file. C. Audio file. D. Video files. Correct answer is C. Audio file. Question number 214, which device connects your computer to the Internet? A. Dongle. B. Modem. C. Hard drive. D. Telephone. Correct answer is B. Modem. Question number 215, what is it called to go from one website to another? A. Surfing. B. Meeping. C. Hyperlinking. D. Going to another website. Correct answer is A. Surfing. Question number 216, adding your comment in a blog or forum is called? A. Posting. B. Phishing. C. Streaming. D. Advertising online. Correct answer is A. Posting. Question number 217, which of the following is required to host a website? A. Exchange server. B. Database server. C. Web server. D. Mail server. Correct answer is C. Web server. Question number 218, which hardware component can produce hard copy? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Scanner. D. Display adapter. Correct answer is A. Printer. Question number 219. A light-sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or images into digital form is A. Keyboard. B. Scanner. C. Plotter. D. OMR. Correct answer is B. Scanner. Question number 220. Buying and selling of goods on the web is known as A. Trading. B. E-commerce. C. Hypermarket. D. M-commerce. Correct answer is B. E-commerce. Question number 221. E-commerce stands for A. Electrical commerce. B. Entertainment commerce. C. Electrochemical commerce. D. Electronic commerce. Correct answer is D. Electronic commerce. Question number 222. Which of the following device do you use to save files? A. Compact disc. B. Speaker. C. Monitor. D. Printer. Correct answer is A. Compact disc. Question number 223. Which protocol is used to browse the data? A. TCP. B. FTP. C. TFTP. D. HTTP. Correct answer is D. HTTP. Question number 224. What is the full form of HTTP? A. Hyphenation text test program. B. Hypertext transfer package. C. Hypertext transfer protocol. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Hypertext transfer protocol. Question number 225. The letters in HTTPS means A. Smart. B. Secure. C. Simple. D. Standard. Correct answer is B. Secure. Question of the day. Email stands for A. Electric mail. B. Electronic mail. C. Electronic marks. D. Eclipse mail. Please answer the question in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.